Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting chemistry video lessons. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Online Tutorial Platform, a platform that has become an household name and a brand, a trusted brand to actually reckon with. So, without wasting time, I'm going to be talking about beginner's method. If you are a teacher or a student, wherever you're watching me from, be it United States, Britain, or anywhere around the world, take a seat, take a pen, or take your iPad, listen and listen very, very good. Now, on the board is a very simple topic actually, which we call atomic number and mass number. Now, we should understand that atomic number is also called proton number. It is simply the number of protons in an atom. And for an atom to be neutral, right, meaning an atom without charge, like if you look at the examples I gave here, this has a charge, positive charge, this has a charge, negative charge, this has no charge. For an atom or for an element or a species without any charge, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Without wasting time, we should also understand that mass number, which is also called atomic mass, is simply the summation of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Now, the sign or the symbol for atomic number is Z, while the symbol for mass number is letter A. Now, if I have a representative, if I represent an element E, what simply define an element? It is simply the mass number written as a subscript and atomic number written as mass number written as a superscript and atomic number written as a subscript, while the charge is placed on the right hand side and at the top specifically. Now we simply continue. I'll be explaining this question with these three questions on the board. So let's go. Now the question says, determine the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons of the following. These are the examples I gave here. So I'll be explaining it. So do well to listen while I break it down for you. Now let's go. So if I'm having Mercury 2 ion, here is 200, here is 80. The mass number here is 200, right? This is the mass number 200. The atomic number is 80, right? Now we've already established the fact that the atomic number is also called the proton number, right? So therefore, if my atomic number is 80, my proton too is also what? 80. Is that clear? Good. Now we should also understand that this atom or this species has a charge, and because it does have a charge, the number of proton will not be equal to the number of electron. There is a shorter method to do it. We can also use what we call the inspection method actually. Now this is for electron here. Metals or a positive charge is always losing electrons. So if I'm having 80 here, it will have to lose 2 because it has 2 ions here. So it will lose 2. So 80 minus 2 is 78. Do not be confused by the sign, which is a common mistake. Majority of students may, because it has a 2 plus here, to add it. No, this sign here tells us it is a positive charge and it is losing electrons to become positively charged. In this case here, it will be losing 2 plus here as the ion means it is losing. If here is 3, it will lose 3. If here is 4, peradventure it will also lose 4, but in this case it is losing 2. So 80 minus 2 is 78. While to get for the neutron here, it is simply the mass number 200 minus atomic number to give me 120. Final answer. So this is actually done. I will solve the number 2, right? Solve the number 2 here. So the mass number here is 63, atomic number here is 29, right? So if my atomic number is 29, my proton 2 is also what? 29. My electron 2 will also be 29. Reason be that this atom is neutral, and because it is neutral, the proton is always equal to the electron. The neutron here is simply 63 minus 29. Okay, so here would give me 24. Okay, here will give me 34. Please do work to confirm. Let's see. Yes, very what correct. So the last one, please do well to help me to solve it and tell me in the comment section below. For beginners only. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.